Look at them. I put work in them. Cleaned them for about 30 minutes straight. I hope someone out there that gets and appreciates that. Look at there. They did not change their oil frequently, but it is full. That's surprising, because all GMs have oil consumption issues because of the valve covers and them oil caps. Interesting. Well, y'all, I just had the mileage. There we go. 145, 675. Ooh, aftermarket. Will not turn on. Brakes a little broken. That's a little broken too. That doesn't sound very good. Upper dash broken.